I'm going to talk about a real story that will massively help you to make your Amazon account performs better and looks perfect. The story is about one of our Amazon sellers. He thought that selling on Amazon was easy, and he wasn't wrong. The problem is he thought it was easy, like creating a Facebook account and getting immediate responses like friend requests, messages, and so on. So he was expecting the same for Amazon as well, waiting for getting orders, making sales, and profit. With high hope, he started as a wholesaler and purchased goods for sale on Amazon FBA. But after 6 months of all hard work and lots of money investing in inventory fees and everything, it comes out that he has very low sales, so low that you dare not mention. After all this, he came to Ecomclips with a frustrated face and asked why his Amazon listing is not getting the expected sales. And the result we found is not only helpful for him, but also for every Amazon seller. And I can say you for sure, from now on, you can analyze by yourself why your Amazon listings are not getting the expected sales. What are the problems and how you can sort them out? Exciting, right? So let's give a quick look at the key points that we found as the main problem with his account. And we will also discuss this in detail so that you can consider this in your case. So the issues we found were poor product research, not selecting the proper category, lower buybox percentage, poor listing optimizations, poor images, higher late shipment rate, lower account health, no PPC or advertising, no A+ or EBC content. So let's start with the first one, product research. There is no doubt the first and most important starting point of any businesses is your product sourcing. We found he did not do proper research before selecting his product. But if you are a manufacturer, you might not worry about this. On the other hand, if you are just a seller, then you must consider product research seriously. Actually, people are more likely to buy items from a shop that offers reasonable pricing with great quality products. This is because people want to get the best value for their money, and they are more likely to trust a shop that has a good reputation. If a shop has a lot of negative reviews, people will be less likely to buy from them, as they will be worried about getting a poor quality product. This can lead to a loss of sales for the shop, as people will go to buy from their competitors instead. Therefore, it is important for shops to maintain a good reputation by offering high quality products and good customer service. This will help them to attract more customers and increase their sales. So while sourcing your product, you must keep these upcoming points in your mind. Not listed in a proper category. The next issue is that we sometimes don't follow category trends. We need to know which categories our niches are generating sales from. If you can ensure that your items are in the right categories, sales will come soon. It's not rocket science. We can select the best performing category using Amazon's growth of opportunities or competitor research. That's another story. I will show you them later. To elaborate on the second point, Amazon's growth of opportunities is a tool that allows sellers to see which categories are growing the fastest. This can be helpful in identifying new opportunities for your business. Competitor research is another important tool for sellers. By researching your competitors, you can learn about their strengths and weaknesses and use this information to improve your own business. Lower buybox percentage. Also, you must keep your items in stock and in the buy box. The buy box is the area on the product detail page where one seller is featured as the buy now button. The seller with the buy box is the one who will receive the sale, unless the buyer specifically chooses to see more buying options and select a different seller. In order to win the buy box, you must have a competitive price, fast shipping, and a good seller rating. You must also keep your inventory in stock, as buyers are less likely to purchase from a seller who is out of stock. The buy box is important because it is the default option for most buyers. If you have the buy box, you will receive the majority of sales for that product. It is therefore important to make sure that you are competitive in all areas in order to win the buy box. Poor listing optimizations. After sourcing quality items at a cost-effective price and setting up the category, you need to focus on your product detail page. Genuine buyers always follow the product information and reviews before purchasing from you. So you must have an SEO-friendly title with featured bullet points, at least 5. A proper Amazon listing that can generate organic sales must have the below points. Optimized title, at least 5 bullet points with high searchable keywords. At least 7 proper images. Product video, A+ or EBC content. Here are some additional tips for creating a successful Amazon listing. Use high quality images that accurately represent your product. Write clear and concise product descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of your product. Offer competitive prices and free shipping. Respond promptly to customer questions and concerns. Provide excellent customer service. By following these tips, you can create a product listing that will help you generate more sales and grow your business. Here are some additional information about each point. Optimize title with high searchable keywords. Your title should be clear and concise, but it should also include keywords that potential buyers are likely to search for. You can use a keyword research tool to help you identify the right keywords to use. You should use bullet points with proper information in a readable and keyword-friendly way. At least 7 proper images. Your product images should be high quality and should accurately represent your product. You should include a variety of images such as close-ups, product shot, infographics, features, and lifestyle shots. Product video. A product video can be a great way to showcase your product and its features. It can also help to build trust and potential buyers. A+ or EBC content. Now comes up the description or A+ page. If you have a brand registry, you can create A+ or Premium A+ for your listings. You can find lots of ideas and information about creating A+ in our channel. But if you are not a brand registered seller for Amazon, you have to create a description that shows the usefulness and daily life uses of your items. Your description should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. It should also be relevant to the keywords that you are targeting. You should also include your backend search terms in your listings. This will help Amazon to index your listing properly and make it more visible to potential customers. Here are some tips for writing a good description. Use clear and concise language. Use keywords that are relevant to your product. Highlight the benefits of your product. Use images and videos to illustrate your points. Proofread your description carefully before submitting it. Higher late shipment rate. If you're selling as a merchant, you need to focus on your shipping rate. Keep your late shipment rate below 4%, otherwise, your FBA selling privilege will be restricted. Late shipments will also cause negative reviews on your brand. Negative reviews can have a significant impact on your business, as they can deter potential customers from buying from you. In fact, a study by Harvard Business School found that a 1-star decrease in rating can lead to a 5 to 9% decrease in sales. Additionally, listings with less than 3 stars are not eligible for Amazon Prime, which means that you are losing out on a large pool of potential customers. Therefore, it is important to take steps to ensure that your shipments are on time and that you are providing good customer service. This will help you to maintain a positive reputation and avoid losing sales. Here are some tips for improving your shipping rates and customer service. Use a reliable shipping carrier. Pack your orders carefully. Provide clear and accurate tracking information. Respond to customer inquiries promptly. Resolve customer issues quickly and efficiently. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that your customers have a positive experience with your business. This will lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth, which can help you to grow your business. Lower account health. If you are a dropship seller and you sell a lot of items that you don't win, there is a chance that your account health may be at risk. Always be aware of this and fix what is hampering and hurting your Amazon seller account to get more buy boxes. Here are some tips to help you improve your account health. Make sure you are always meeting Amazon seller performance standards. These standards include things like shipping on time, having a high customer satisfaction rate, and not having any negative feedback. Keep your inventory levels up. If you don't have the items that customers are looking for, they will likely go to another seller. Offer competitive prices. Customers are always looking for the best deal, so make sure your prices are in line with what other sellers are offering. Provide good customer service. If your customers have a positive experience with your store, they are more likely to come back and buy from you again. Use Amazon's advertising tools. Amazon's advertising tools can help you reach more customers and increase your sales. By following these tips, you can improve your account health and get more buy boxes. No PPC or advertising. Even if you think you have done everything right, you may want to reconsider. If you have not set up your Amazon ad campaigns yet, items become bestsellers when they get more sales. And Amazon ads are a great way to generate good sales numbers. If you don't know how to set up various Amazon ad campaigns or PPC, just check out our other PPC related videos for free. Here are some tips on how to set up effective Amazon ad campaigns. Number 1. Choose the right keywords. When you create your Amazon ad campaigns, you will need to choose the right keywords to target. These are the words or phrases that people will use to search for your products. Make sure to choose keywords that are relevant to your products and that have a high search volume. Number 2. Write effective ad copy. Your ad copy is the text that will appear in your Amazon ads. It's important to write ad copy that is clear, concise, and persuasive. Make sure to highlight the benefits of your products and why people should buy them. Number 3. Set a budget. You will need to set a budget for your Amazon ad campaigns. This is the amount of money you are willing to spend on each click on your ad. It's important to set a budget that you are comfortable with and that will allow you to reach your target audience. Number 4. Track your results. It's important to track the results of your Amazon ad campaigns so that you can see how well they are performing. You can use Amazon's reporting tools to track things like clicks, impressions, and conversions. By following these tips, you can set up effective Amazon ad campaigns that will help you increase sales and reach your target audience. I think now you can imagine why your Amazon listing not getting the expected sales. Just focus on the way I have shown. Soon you will get a good amount of sales. If you need any more assistance, please comment your issue in the comment box and mail us with this video reference at info@ecomclips.com. We will get back to you with proper solutions. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button unless you want to miss the e-commerce related updates. You can also keep your eye on our website www.ecomclips.com for e-commerce related articles. See you in our next episodes. Till then, stay safe and stay positive. Happy selling. Bye bye.